Hi students, good morning. In the today's lecture, we see the very important reaction of the chapter number 15, that is hydrocarbons. In the last day, we completed most of the reaction of the benzene rings or benzene compounds. Okay, now in the today's lecture, we see the very important reaction which is also important for your 12th standards. Okay, that is today we see the electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene or aromatic compounds. Now firstly we know about that is what is meant by the electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction क्या होती है, that can be seen in this point. That is electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene means that is the one or more hydrogen atom of benzene ring is replaced with the electrophiles. Electrophile like chlorine, bromine, NO2 group, SO3H group, alkyl group or acyl group is called as a what? That is electrophilic substitution reaction. So this reaction, we know about that this reaction is very important for the our 12th standard also. So see here, that is today we see the first, that is electrophilic substitution reaction. That is the reaction in which one or more hydrogen atom of benzene, one or more hydrogen atom of benzene is replaced with electrophile like Cl, which is having the positive charge, Br positive charge, NO2 group, that is NO2 plus, okay, SO3H plus group, and alkyl groups and acyl groups. Okay, so यहाँ पे आपको देखना है बेटा, that is the reaction in which one or more hydrogen atom of benzene is replaced with the electrophile like chlorine, bromine, NO2 group, SO3H group, alkyl group or acyl group is called as a what? That is electrophilic substitution reaction in different condition. Okay, is called as electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene. Okay, so in the today's lecture we see that all the electrophilic substitution reaction. Now there are total 5 types of electrophilic substitution reaction of benzene. First is halogenation reaction, second is nitration reaction, third is sulfonation reaction, and fourth is Friedel-Crafts alkylation, and fifth is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Okay, so यहाँ पे याद रखना बेटा, जब अपन हैलोजेनेशन रिएक्शन देखेंगे तब आप यहाँ पे जो इलेक्ट्रोफाइल यूज करने वाले, इट में भी क्लोरीन और इट में भी ब्रोमीन. अगर आप नाइट्रेशन रिएक्शन देख रहे हैं तो इलेक्ट्रोफाइल यहाँ पे NO2 यूज करना है जो हाइड्रोजन एटम बेंजीन का रिप्लेस करेगा. सल्फोनेशन के लिए SO3H प्लस और फ्रीडल-क्राफ्ट अल्किलेशन के लिए R प्लस एंड फ्रीडल-क्राफ्ट एसिलेशन के लिए असील ग्रुप. ओके, सो यहाँ पे अपन एक one by one that reaction we can see in this lecture. So सबसे पहली reaction देखेंगे आप, that is halogenation reaction. So our first reaction is halogenation reaction. Now what is meant by halogenation reaction? Okay, we see the first halogenation reaction means क्या होता है बेटा? That is the reaction in which one or more hydrogen atom of benzene ring is replaced with halogen like chlorine or bromine is called as a halogenation reaction. Now see here, in this reaction the hydrogen atom of benzene is replaced with halogen atom, that is it may be chlorine or it may be bromine, okay, is called as a what? That is halogenation reaction. So in this lecture today we see the first reaction which is called as a chlorination reaction. तो halogenation में जो सब टाइप्स है अपन देखेंगे बेटा यहाँ पे, that is chlorination reaction. Now what is mean by chlorination reaction? Firstly we see that is the electrophilic substitution reaction in which one or more hydrogen atom of benzene ring is replaced with chlorine atom, or electrophile like chlorine atom is called as a chlorination reaction. Okay, now the general statement of chlorination is like that is when chlorine is react with benzene in presence of dark like and catalyst like iron or catalyst like aluminium trichloride or FeBr3 in an anhydrous condition, we got the product of chlorobenzene. Okay, that is we got the product of chlorobenzene. In this reaction, that is when chlorine is react with benzene, so we can see the directly reaction. देखो यहाँ पे क्या होगा बेटा, इन द क्लोरीनेशन रिएक्शन दिस इज आवर बेंजीन कंपाउंड, ठीक है, ये आपका है बेंजीन. व्हेन बेंजीन इज रिएक्ट विथ क्लोरीन in presence of anhydrous AlCl3, that is aluminium trichloride, which is act as a Lewis acid catalyst. Okay, it give the product of, अब आपको क्या मिलेगा यहाँ पे बेटा, जो बेंजीन रिंग का ये हाइड्रोजन एटम है ये क्या होगा, रिप्लेस विथ क्लोरीन एंड वी गॉट द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ क्लोरोबेंजीन. ओके, तो आपको इस तरीके से यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट मिलने वाला है, that is chlorobenzene plus HCl. Okay, so this is the general reaction that is called as a chlorination reaction. लेकिन बेटा यहाँ पे अपने को फर्स्टली देखना पड़ेगा कि हाउ विल यू प्रिपेयर द इलेक्ट्रोफाइल, दैट इज क्लोरीनियम आयन. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है बेटा, दैट इज इन दिस रिएक्शन दिस इज द formation of electrophile, that is chlorinium ion, okay, that is Cl plus ion. तो यहाँ पे क्या होता है बेटा, that is जो क्लोरीन रहता है Cl is firstly react with the anhydrous AlCl3 और आपको यहाँ पे आपका इलेक्ट्रोफाइल मिलता है, that is chlorinium ion plus we got the complex, that is AlCl4. यहाँ पे आपको क्या मिलता है बेटा, that is complex which is called as the AlCl4 और उस पे आता है बेटा that is minus charge. Okay, so firstly in this reaction, chlorination reaction, we form the electrophile and that electrophile is react with the aromatic compound or benzene ring and we got the product of chlorobenzene. Okay, so important है, फर्स्ट स्टेप में आप इलेक्ट्रोफाइल बनाएंगे जिससे बोलते हैं अपन क्लोरीनियम आयन, और ये क्लोरीनियम आयन क्या करेगा बेटा, हाइड्रोजन जो बेंजीन रिंग का उसका रिप्लेसमेंट करेगा और आपको यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट मिलता है क्लोरोबेंजीन. सो दिस इज द सिंपल रिएक्शन. नाउ सिमिलरली वी सी द नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन विच इज कॉल्ड एज द ब्रोमिनेशन रिएक्शन. अब देखो ब्रोमिनेशन भी सेम है, बस यहाँ पे इतना फर्क आएगा, that is the hydrogen atom of aromatic ring is replaced with bromine atom. Okay, so we see the next point, that is bromination reaction. Okay, now in this reaction when benzene okay is replaced with in this reaction, that is the hydrogen atom of benzene is replaced with bromine atom is called as a bromination reaction. Now in this reaction when bromine is react with benzene in presence of Lewis acid catalyst, that is anhydrous FeBr3 या फिर अनहाइड्रस AlBr3 भी अपन ले सकते हैं, and it got the product that is bromobenzene. Now here in this reaction when benzene is react with bromine in presence of anhydrous FeBr3 which is act as a Lewis acid catalyst and we got the product. क्या मिलेगा आपको बेटा यहाँ पे ब्रोमो बेंजीन, जो हाइड्रोजन एटम है वो रिप्लेस हो जाएगा ब्रोमीन से and we got the side product which is called as a HBr. Okay, so this is the simple reaction, but whenever this reaction is take place, firstly we prepare the electrophile, that is brominium ion. तो यहाँ पे क्या करना पड़ेगा आपको, that is firstly we see the formation of electrophile, that is brominium ions. Okay, brominium ion, that is Br plus ion which is act as a electrophile. तो similarly ये क्या करेगा बेटा, that is bromine Br2 is when react with FeBr3. Okay, so यहाँ पे आपको क्या मिलता है बेटा, that is Br plus, that is brominium ion which is act as a electrophile, and plus we got the, that is complex which is called as a inorganic compound, that is FeBr4 minus. Okay, so this is the simple reaction which is called as a halogenation reaction. I hope आपको इस reaction समझे बेटा. Simple है, जो aromatic hydrogen atom है उसका replacement किससे हो रहा है, halogen atom से, और उसे अपन बोलते हैं halogenation. That is one electrophile, that is hydrogen, smaller electrophile is replaced with the higher electrophile. Okay, so write down this.